Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1973 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a complete custom-built Restomod, and I mean beautiful car, guys. It's 155 miles on a rotisserie restoration. I should say the previous owner said it probably does have a few more miles on it than that. They did kind of drive it around as they were kind of building the car, I should say. But killer car, gorgeous color. This is Corvette yellow. It's really bright, got a real vibrant feel to it. It's got the black Z28 striping. You can see the black vinyl top. And then they've blacked out all the trim on the car. Beautiful car. Lowered it down a little bit. It's got oxidized primer floors on it. And I mean, beautiful, beautiful car. It's got all LED lighting in it. Again, you can see they've redone all the trim, custom grille. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint. Front and rear spoilers. It's got the RS front bumper on it. Front bumpers, I should say. Cowl hood. Dual sport mirrors. Tinted glass. You can see the vinyl top is beautiful. I mean, just a gorgeous car. I apologize, it's probably hard to hear. It's one of those Michigan spring days that'll drive you nuts. It's spitting snow 1 second, it's raining, and then the wind's whipping, and then the sun's out. Get custom tail lights. Beautiful, beautiful car. And again, really nice on the bottom. It's all oxidized primer floors. Yeah, there's a lot of money spent on this car, guys. All new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got these killer set of custom built Billet Specialty, I think they're called Hydro wheels. Front disc brakes. This is a 5.7 LS1 EFI engine. You can see it's got a custom set of headers on it. All new vintage AC. Custom radiator. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. It's got tubular front suspension with adjustable coilovers. You may have to just shut that, Nathan, yeah, with the wind. Just gorgeous in body and paint work. I mean, nice car, guys. Little stone peck there if you're going to pick something. There's not much to really nitpick on it. Remote driver's mirror. It's got all custom bucket seats in it. New carpet. I've got floor mats on the way for it, guys. Buckets, center console. MoMo steering wheel. It's got the what do you call it? Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. I'm sorry, it's classic air, not vintage air. Retrosounds radio, dash is nice. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. They have tied the frame on it. It's got a 10 bolt 373 limited slip rear axle in it. Gorgeous car. Look how pretty it is under there. Again, really stressing to folks, make sure you are on southernmotors.com when you are looking at our cars. A lot of scams out there right now. People stealing our ads, stealing our videos. Stuff that's been online gone for 10, 15 years with silly prices on them, and then people are giving them money. Don't do that. Call southernmotors.com. It's all tempered glass. Air blows cold. $155 miles. Good oil pressure. All your gauges are functional. Those scale lights, how cool are those? Radio works, blower motor works. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, it's like a winter day, not a spring day. How cool. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way, every time I post a new video, you can get a notification.